Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is M.F.E.O Pinky, and today I will be doing this makeup tutorial with the full outfit. Get ready with me. So this is a kind of red dress makeup look, and if you are wearing a red dress and you want to do makeup, you can do similar makeup like this, and I love the outcome of this look. This look looks stunning. There is not much going on the eyes, but I absolutely love this look with this dress. And like, if you want to know how I did this look, then you should keep on watching. So let's begin with today's tutorial. And first I will be doing my brows. So here I am taking this Tarte brow pencil and gel. So this product has one side pencil and one side gel, which is so good. And like I am just filling up my brows as usual, just drawing on the shape of my brows, and also I will be like using the gel from the other side to just brush my brows upwards. And literally this product is so good, and this is in the shade dark brown. Now I am just cleaning up my brows with this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and here I am using this BH Cosmetics 102 concealer brush, and I am just cleaning up my brows, and at the same time I will be priming my eyelid. Now I am taking this Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum, and literally this is my favorite primer serum of all time. I love it so much, and it primes the face. At the same time it makes my makeup last long, which is so good. So today I will be using this Fenty Beauty foundation. This is a Pro Filter foundation in the shade 330. So first I will be spraying this L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist on my face. So this is how I do it. This makes my makeup last long, and it also makes my makeup look flawless. So I am taking few pumps of this foundation. With the help of this Morphe Beauty Blender, I am blending this foundation all over. And this foundation literally is so good. I love it so much. And if you do find a perfect shade for your skin, and like, I will recommend get a one shade lighter, just because this foundation does oxidizes, and like literally this gets a bit dark after 5 to 10 minutes after the application. So do test before you buy, just because this foundation, I think you can get it from Sephora, and it cost Australian $15, not 15, oh my gosh, it's $50 Australian. And here I am just concealing my face with the same Conceal and Define concealer by Makeup Revolution, and I am highlighting a bit under my eye area, just because I want to get that highlighted look under my eye area, that kind of brightness going on under my eye area. So I have sprayed some fixing mist on the beauty blender. This is the same one by L'Oreal Infallible, and I am pressing the product on my skin. As you guys can see here, I am not rubbing the product. Like, if you rub the product, it will not look flawless. You have to press it down on your skin to get a flawless coverage under the eye area especially, and this way your concealer will not crease, and like you have to set it up as soon as you have applied this concealer, what I'm saying, not foundation, concealer, just because this product dries very quickly. And I am using this Style palette. So I have done this just because my camera stopped recording, and I am showing you guys how I did this, just because the camera wasn't recording at the time. I did use the banana powder and the bronzer on my face. So this is from the Style London palette, and this palette has like 4 different shades of bronzer, highlighter, banana powder and blush. And here I am using the Madeira blush by Rimmel London, and this blush is like literally such a good color, and it is 220 Madeira. It's by Rimmel London, and I love the color. And the highlighter here I am using is again by Style London palette, and this is the same brushes I am using like over and over, like I have used in my other videos, so I don't have to tell you guys which brush I am using. Like in my last makeup tutorial videos, I have used the same brushes. This one is just a highlighter brush by BH Cosmetic, and the bronzer brush I have used was by Morphe, and the other brush, of course, the blush brush is by I think I've got, I don't know the brand name, but it was from eBay. And here I am using this hyaluronic fix by Makeup Revolution, and I am just setting up all my makeup. So here I am taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is the palette which she did in the collaboration with Morphe, and taking this first shade M.F.E.O, it's M.F.E.O, and this is just a brown shade, and I am applying it all over my crease area with the help of a little blending brush. And then I am taking this shade Buns, and this is a kind of dark maroon kind of shade, or reddish brown kind of shade I will say, and I am applying it on the crease area with the help of a blending brush. And also I am blending this color on the crease area and also blending it outwards. And then I am blending this same 2 color under the lower lash line, as you can see here, with the help of a small pencil brush by Sigma, I think. Yeah, it's by Sigma. And here I am using this Abyss color. This is a dark black brown kind of color, and I am creating a wing with this color. So I am creating a wing, like a thin wing, but like it doesn't has to be perfect, just because I will blend this color up, like I will smudge it later. And the brush here I am using is like, it's a liner brush by Sigma. And taking this color Pukey, and this is a kind of orangey kind of color, and I am blending the Abyss color with this color. So like there is not much wing showing up there, just because I am smudging it off. And the brush here I am using is a pencil brush, again by Sigma. And I am blending at the same time. I am taking this color a little bit outwards on the outer part of my eyes, as you can see here, and also a little bit blending on the crease. And taking this beam shade, this is the highlighting shade, and it's literally such a beautiful shade. And I am taking another pencil brush by Sigma, and I am applying this on the brow bone area and also on the inner corner of my eyes. And here I am just blending in between the brow bone area and the crease area with the help of the same blending brush I have used on the crease in the beginning, so that there is no harsh line in between the brow bone area and on the crease area. And here I am using this Makeup Revolution's eyeliner. This is a very thin black liner, a pen, and I am creating a wing with this liner. And applying a black liner on the waterline. So this is just a pencil liner by BYS. I am applying on the waterline, and then I am smudging that liner with a small liner brush, and just very close to the lashes I am smudging. And here I am using this Model Rock lashes, and this lashes is literally so gorgeous. I love it so much. It's long but looks very natural too. And I am using a lashstudio lash glue here, and applying these lashes when the glue is bit tacky, and this glue dries up very quickly too. And here I am using this Tarte gifted mascara, and this mascara is in the color black, and literally it's so beautiful. And like, if you are not wearing falsies, this mascara makes your lashes look longer. And I am applying this mascara like this, like on the lower lashes. I usually apply it like this, I don't know why. And just look at my face while applying mascara, it always goes like that. And here I am using this NYX Auto Lip Pencil. This is in the color Hot Red, and I am lining the lip and filling it a little bit extra on the lip. And I will be using another lip liner just because I think this lip liner is not too dark, so I will be applying another one later. And then I am taking this L'Oreal Paris Collection Exclusive 407 Liyas red lipstick, and this is literally such a gorgeous red, matching my dress so well. And here I am using this wood lip liner pencil in the shade color like number 13. I got this pencil long time ago from eBay, and like literally these lip pencils are so creamy and they are so dark. I love it so much. This is dark red or that maroony kind of shade. And yeah, we are all done, and just love the look. Literally it's just so stunning. I love it, and it goes so well with this red dress. And like, you can wear this look for daytime or nighttime. Just add a little bit of shimmer on the lid. it will go so well for nighttime, and it will go well for Valentine's Day, date night, and like anywhere you are wearing this red dress. And these earrings I am wearing are from Prouds Australia, and the ring is of course I bought somewhere from Target I think. And this dress is literally so beautiful. It's from Valley Girl Australia, and the shoes is of course from Target Australia, and this clutch is from Strain Bag, and the watch is of course from Prouds, and this necklace I am wearing from Target, and the bangle is also from Target, and these rings I am wearing is of course from Prouds. And I just love this completed look. And if you guys are interested to see my hair coloring video, it's on my channel, you can go and watch. This is the same hair color I did on that video, and like literally this look is just wow. This is just a slip dress. This looks so gorgeous. I just love this cut in this dress, both sides, like it's so beautiful. If you wish to see more, please do subscribe, like, comment and share my video, and I will catch you all later in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.